Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com. I will add download link and project files. I have 4 layers. First layer background, solid. Let's look solid. And object 1 like this. Object 2 and object 3. Okay, first step, let's select this object 2 and press P, hold shift, press R, make 2 keyframes, new position and new rotation keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift and press page down and move to up this object 2 and change rotation. Let's see. Okay, again go to 10 keyframe, move to down and move to right. Let's see. Okay, and change rotation like this. Again go to 10 keyframe and move to up and right, change rotation again. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant and easy ease or F9. Let's see. Okay, nice. Select all keyframes, hold alt and move to right. Let's see again. Okay. Select keyframes, go to graph editor and select these all graphs. Move to left, make smooth keyframes. Okay, nice. Let's Ctrl Z. Okay, again Ctrl Z and select this line. Move to left. Okay, and click this icon and go to 5 keyframes and move to down again and right. Change rotation. Let's see. Okay, let's change rotation like this. Okay, and go to here, move to up and change rotation and go to here again, move to down and change rotation like this. Move to right. Let's see. Okay, let's select this keyframe, move to right and go to here, select this keyframe, move to right like this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so in this time select these 2 keyframes and 3 keyframes. Move to left. Let's select all these keyframes. Move to left. Let's see. Okay. Let's change rotation like this and move to right. Okay. Change rotation. Okay, nice. And go to here, change rotation 4 and again go to some keyframes, change 6 and again 4, again 7, again 3. Let's see. Nice. And in this time make new position keyframe and rotation. Go to here and move to back and up and change rotation. Select keyframes, move to right. Let's see. Okay, and go to here, move to down and right, change rotation like this. Okay, let's move to here. Select keyframes, move to right and go to here. Again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, nice. Okay, let's select these two keyframes and move to here. Let's see again. Okay, nice. Okay, in this time select this object 3, press R, make rotation, hold shift, press P, make new position keyframe, and go to here, change rotation like this. Okay, and move to down. Select keyframes, move to right. Okay, and again move to down and make new keyframes, new position and new rotation. Go to here and move to down. Okay, let's see. Okay, and go to 4 keyframe, 1 2 3 4, move to up and change rotation to. Go to 4 keyframe again, 1 2 3 4, move to down and change rotation 0. Okay, select this keyframe, move to down and select these all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe ascent, easy ease. Let's see. Okay, so we have problem, let's solve it. Select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation, change auto bezier to linear, click OK. Let's see this area. Nice. Let's see full project. Okay, nice. So let's make other objects for this object too. Go to wrench tool, select this rounded wrench tool and let's make like this. Change stroke and open wrench 1, stroke, change color red or black and click this icon, open dashes. Nice. Change dashes like this and change butt cap to round cap or project cap. Okay, change dashes. Okay, nice. And select this object, move to back object 2 and move to left, change stroke 4 or 3. Let's change 4. Okay, and select this shape layer parent to this object 2 for animation with this shape layer. Okay, nice. Okay, in this time make new offset keyframe and go to here, change 500. Let's see. Okay, let's change 900. Nice. Okay, in this time go to here and change 0. Let's change not 0, change 200. and go to here, change 0. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.